Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Come next week, motorists should be able to check online if they have unpaid traffic tickets, as the authorities intensify efforts to collect every dollar from the over 1 million outstanding traffic tickets.
Now this as the new road traffic regulations with tougher fines and penalties took effect on December 1.
Now the update came from Justice Minister on Thursday at the commissioning ceremony for 41 Justices of the Peace in St. Anne. Andrea Chisholm has the details.
Hundreds of motorists at traffic courts island-wide this week waiting for hours to pay outstanding traffic tickets. Some public passenger operators had no choice as the government stood firm, ignoring their request for an amnesty or more time to pay.
We have over 1 million tickets that we will be pursuing.
Justice Minister Delroy Chuck said there are over 2,000 motorists with over 100 tickets each and nearly 500 with 500 tickets each.
All persons who have outstanding tickets, go and pay them quickly, because now we have reconciled tickets that have not been paid. Yes, warrants will be issued. Yes, you won't be able to renew your driver's license because it will be put against your driver's license. Yes, the vehicles can be transferred or can be dealt with or licensed unless the tickets are paid.
The traffic court will be extending their hours, operating at nights and on Saturdays to facilitate motorists.
We have now mapped out every single unpaid traffic ticket. And that matrix, that information is going to be on a website that anyone who has ever had a ticket can look if you have not paid it, and see that your name and the date and the time that you violated, because if you don't pay it, there will be consequence. I know it is being launched today, but by next week, the 8th, anyone who has a ticket will be able to look and see it.
In the meantime, Mr. Chuck has lamented the death of a firefighter Lorenzo Dowse from the Ocho Rios fire station. The 25-year-old was killed in the line of duty on the Ocho Rios main road. Mr. Dowse was putting equipment in the back of the fire truck when a car reportedly overtook a line of traffic and slammed into the truck, crushing him. Mr. Chuck is again appealing to motorists to obey road rules.
Even if you don't care about your life, even if you don't care about your limbs, even if you don't care about your convenience, respect others on the road who are going about their lawful business, who want to get home to their families. And when your carelessness and disorderly conduct cause an accident, not only do you create pain, suffering, hurt, and inconvenience to families.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.